Girls, so today I'm going to show you how I take all these photos by myself without any help. So thanks to this tripod, I can literally take this tripod anywhere. It can fit in your bag if you have like a tote bag, but it's so compact and so sleek and so cute. It comes with a remote, but luckily with this app that I use, you do not even need a remote. You just press the button. I use Lens Buddy. So all you do is open the app, press the button, it records and it takes pictures for you, and you literally just move around and look cute. This was my first time actually taking pictures this way, and these pictures came out so cute. You have to go check it out on my Instagram. And yeah, like for more.